Vomero 5 shows no signs of slowing down, returning with yet another standout look, this time in a women's exclusive particle pink colorway. Part of Nike Sportswear's Fall 2025 lineup, this upcoming release sticks to what the Vomero 5 does best, blending performance roots with street-ready style. Muted pinks and creamy off-whites lay the foundation, while sharp metallic silver accents bring a futuristic touch. The signature particle pink shade highlights the side cages, inner lining, tongue branding, and parts of the outsole, delivering just enough contrast to make a subtle statement. It's a colorway that balances softness with boldness, ideal for those testing the waters of expressive style. While a Nike.com release date hasn't been confirmed yet, details are expected to drop as the fall season approaches. In the meantime, enjoy a first look at the official images of the women's Vomero 5 particle pink.